Good afternoon, kids. How are you today? What you will say and say loudly, I am fine, thank you. What you will say, I am fine and thank you. Okay, so, you're not smiling. So, give a big smile to me. Give a big smile to me. Yeah, this is a big smile. Very good. So, today we will start our class. We are starting our class. So look, all of you sit straight and look at the board. Okay. Oh, do you know which period is this? Do you know which period is this? No? Okay. This is English period. Which period is this? English period. Okay. And in which class you are studying? You know na, every time we are repeating this, in which class you are studying. So how you will say, I am studying in class nursery. How you will say, I am studying in class nursery. Very good. Okay. In which school you are studying? In which school you are studying? So how will you say? And you have to say loudly. You have to say loudly. So how you will say? The name of my school is Gokuldas Public School. What is the name of your school? The name of my school is Gokuldas Public School. Okay, where do you live? Where do you live? So how will you say? I live in Khargone. I live in Khargone. Very good. Clap all of you. Yes, loudly. Clap, clap. I'm not hearing your voice of your clap. So clap. Yes, very good. So this is your English period. And who I am? And who I am? I am your English teacher. Who I am? I am your English teacher. Very good. So, we will start our class with one rhyme. We will start our class with rhyme. So, are you ready? Yes, jump. First to start jump. Jump like this. Yes, very good. Jump all of you. Jump high. Jump high. Yes, jump. Stop. Okay. Now, do you get energy by jumping? Yes or no? Yes. Very good. So, you have to recite the rhyme with action. You have to say the rhyme with action. Okay. So, stand up all of you. Stand up. Yes. Now, which rhyme we will do? We will recite rhyme. Apple. A for apple. A for apple. Okay. So we will recite the rhyme apple. What is this? This is an apple. What is the color of apple? What is the color of apple? Red. Okay. Now recite. Rosy red apple. See? Rosy red apple high in the tree. Say all of you. Rosy red apple high in the tree. Please, Mr. Wind, blow one down to me. Okay. Please, Mr. Wind, blow one down to me. Okay. Again. You have to repeat after me. Okay. Rosy red apple. Say, rosy red apple high in the tree. Say all of you. High in the tree. Please, Mr. Wind, blow one down to me. Blow one down to me. Okay. Again. Rosy red apple high in the tree. Please, Mr. Wind, blow one down to me. Okay? Clap all of you. Did you enjoy the rhyme? Okay. Again once more. Again we will recite the rhyme and after that we will start. Okay? Our user. Okay? Rosy red apple high in the tree. Please, Mr. Wind, blow one down to me. Okay, clap all of you. Very good. Okay, we have learned capital letters. What we have learned? We have learned capital letters A to L. A to L. So today we will do revision. We will revise all the letters from A to L. A to L. Okay. We will revise all the letters A to L. So all of you sit properly, fold your hands, and what you have to do? You have to repeat after me. What you have to do? You have to repeat after me. Okay. Now tell me which letter is this? Which letter is this? Letter A. Which letter is this? A. A for? A for? Apple. Yes. Say all of you. A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Okay. A for aeroplane. Here is one fan. A for aeroplane. Okay. A for arrow. A for arrow. A for alligator. Okay. A for alligator. Then A for, tell me, A for ant. A for ant. A for auntie. A for auto rickshaw. A for Almira. Okay. Again. After A, which letter will come? B. Which letter is this? Letter B. B for ball. B for bat. B for bat. B for ball. B for bat. Then B for, tell me, book. B for book. You study in a book. B for book. Okay. B for bus. You come to school by bus? Yes or not? Yes. You come to school by bus. Okay. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for arrow. A for ant. B for ball. B for bat. B for book. To study in book. B for book. B for bus. Then C. C for cup. C for cup. C for cat. C for cat. C for cake. You cut the cake now on your birthday. Yes. C for cake. And then after C for C for cup. C for cat. C for cake. C for car. What is this? This is car. C for car. C for cup. C for cat. What does cat say? Meow. C for cake. And C for car. Okay. And after C, which letter will come? After C, which letter will come? A, B, C, D. Okay. Which letter will come? D. Which letter is this? Standing line and curve. D. Which letter is this? D. Okay. D for dog. D for dog. Okay. D for dog. D for door. D for door. What is this? This is door. Okay. D for door. D for doll. D for doll. D for drum. D for drum. Okay. D. After D, which letter will come? E. Which letter will come? E. E for eyes. E for egg. E for ears. Ears. Do you have 2 ears? 2 eyes? Yes. E for eyes. E for egg. E for ears. Then E for eagle. E for engine. What is this? This is engine. This is engine. Okay. After E, which letter will come? Letter F. F for fish. F for fish. F for fan. F for fan. Then F for frog. F for frog. F for fire. F for fire. F for fire. Okay, F for fire. F for fly. F for fly. F for fly. Okay. F for fish. F for fan. F for fire. Fire is very dangerous. F for fly. F for frog. Okay. D, E, F. After F, which letter will come? Letter G. Which letter will come? Letter G. Okay. So, which letter is this? Letter G. G for gun. G for gun. You have seen gun. G for gun. Okay. G for girl. G for glass. You drink water in glass. G for glass. G for gift. You get gift on your birthday? Yes, G for gift. G for gun. G for glass. G for gift. G for grapes. Do you like grapes? Do you like to eat grapes? Okay. G for green color. G for green color. What is the color of grapes? The color of grape is green. Okay. So G for gun. G for glass. G for gift. G for grapes. Do you like grapes? No? Yeah. And the color of grapes is green. Okay. After G, H. Which letter will come? Letter H. H for house. H for house. You live in your house. Yes. H for hammer. What is this? This is a hammer. H for hammer. Okay. H for handkerchief. You use handkerchief? Yes. H for hand. H for hand. H for hand. H for hair. H for hair. You have black hair. H for hair. H for hair. H for head. H for house. H for hammer. H for hand. H for hair. Okay. G, H. After H, which letter will come? Letter I. Which letter will come? I. I for how it is very tasty and cold. Ice cream. It is very tasty and cold. Ice cream. I for igloo. I for igloo. Okay. It is made of ice. I for iron. You dress your iron when you come to school. Iron. Iron. Okay. Iron. I for iron. Iron. You dress, you press now. Iron you do it to your clothes, uniform. Yes. I for ice cream. I for igloo. I for iron. And I for island. No islands. Yes, a bottle is there. Island. I for island. Okay. G, H, I. Okay. Then after I, which letter will come? After I, which letter will come? A. Repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. J for Joker. J for Joker. J for Joker. ठीक है? Then J for Jug. J for Jug. J for Jug. J for Jar. What is this? This is a jar. Okay. And J for jellyfish. J for jellyfish. Look here, jellyfish. J for jellyfish. Okay, J for jam, J for jelly, J for joker. You see joker in circus. J for jug, J for jar. J for jellyfish. Okay. J. After J, K. Which letter is this? K. K for kite. K for kite. Then K for king. Who is this? This is a king. This is a king. Okay. King. K for king. K for key. Do you have key at your home? Yes. K for key. You have key of your car, scooty, house. Okay. Key. Okay. K for kite. K for king. K for key. K for kingfisher. K for kingfisher. Okay. And then after K, L. Which letter is this? L. L for lamp. Yes. L for lamp. L for lamp. L for lemon. L for lemon. L for lion. L for lion. You have seen how does lion talk? Ooh. How does lion say? Roar. Say lion. L for lion. Okay. Then L for lion. L for lamb. Then L for light. L for light. You seen a light at your home? Yes. So we have learned we have done revision from letter A to L. So you have to keep practicing at your home. You have to read all the letters, revise at your home. Okay? Till then, so revise all this A to L at your home. Okay? And rhymes also. Till then, bye and have a nice day.